good place to be. Wind coming off them trucks can really throw you around. Plus now it's raining decent. That truck, that car right alongside of it, just happy and content to be right alongside of it. I wonder why people do that, just ride beside that truck. I don't guess they ever seen one of them tires just blow out sideways. They couldn't have. They wouldn't just sit there beside it if they had. There we go. Let me see if I can get on past this truck. Maybe I can just get in just rain. Clean air would be nice. I don't know how much y'all can see, but visibility is steadily going away. Oh, it gets better when you ain't just running right up behind somebody. Coming on down pretty good now. You can hear it. Gonna come back over. Got my jacket on, boots, blue jeans. It ain't really that bad. I mean, I could be just in a t-shirt. Happened to me once. On this bike, the day I bought it actually, started raining right through there. It rained hard. For some reason it picks up right in there. I guess that's just a crack, I don't know. I haven't noticed it. But it went to hailing on me. Open face helmet, t-shirt, pair of safety glasses. Yeah, I got pretty much pummeled that day. I kept going. Let it shield up a little bit. Kept going. And come out of it about that quick as I did just then. Look back in the mirrors, you can still see it coming down like a curtain hanging behind you. Everybody else was pulled off, parked in the middle of it. Them golf balls, the bigger was hitting the ground. That wasn't no fun. I'm gonna tell you, I was laid flat down on the tank trying to get in behind that little dinky ass windshield. It was nice to have that day. But like I said, this ain't bad. Little liquid sunshine. I'm just on my way home, no big deal. I got about an hour ride. Nothing else that makes it a little interesting. If you've been down 280, you know what I'm talking about. You take all the interesting you can get. If I was in my truck, I'd be just miserable. I have done it, I don't like it. Side to side water sweep, I don't know if y'all can tell that's doing thing, but it is. Got it dripping in the top of my shield now. Oh yeah. Again. Ooh. Y'all seen that car down the medium strip? Run up here and see if I can get somebody to holler at. Nowadays, everybody's got a cell phone. They probably done called their cell for them tow trucks. But we'll go up here and holler at somebody just the same.